Hello guys, what's up? This is Yogi with a new tutorial in Photoshop. So guys, in this tutorial we will talk about a knockout tool. Knockout tool knockout tool used for making this type of text. So you can see that like I have created a success with a rectangular body and the image is partially you can see the text behind the images. How we can create and how we can use that. So I will tell you. So simply I got delete this first of all. Then I got a simple image. Then before starting you have to maintain the layer sequence, like we have to create first rectangle, then we create a text. Okay, if you create a text or you can create a rectangle, we have to maintain like first of all we have text, then we have a rectangle, then we have images. Like I say rectangle, you can have any object like circle, rectangle or anything. Simply first of all we go to rectangle and choose color. If I want to choose like maybe gray color is best for that, something like that. Okay, I make a rectangle here. I make a simple rectangle, be simply be just free rectangle. After that I click on text, like I want a text. I will change the color to maybe black, but yeah, I want a black because it will like I click I type success. Okay, you can see that my text is gone long, so I will make them right hand. Okay, I will choose some. I will make some pure to size, maybe like that. Okay, click right and I click to move to like that, and I also make text like something like 237. Okay, simply yeah, simply make a text. Like you can make any text you want. You can see the success and we can click. After clicking after the result, I will make some layer. Okay, the best part is come now, because we have to create a simple layer. Then we click on success, like you have clicked 2 times to open a dialog box like layer style, or you can simply right click and click on blending options. This is your opinion guys. You can click 2 times on the that layer or simply right click and choose layer. First of all, the best part is that you have go there and choose your knockout to shallow. When you click shallow there, sometimes double has come, and please make the opacity to 0, like you can see the behind the object. Okay, but guys, don't, if you click that you don't get your results. Like you can, the image is going to be at opacity on 0, the background layer of text, that text is also blank. So you can simply, so how you can get, simply click control on your keyboard or cm command, click on both layers selected and click command G or control G on Windows, and simply you can find the text like that. You can see behind object, you can make them any for there or maybe there. You can choose to, you can make it like any one of the object, like circles, you can make a rectangular, make it a square. You can choose any object or any image, because you have to create an image over image also. Okay guys, please practice on this. If you had any question on this tool, please comment below. I will answer all of them. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video guys, please like, share, comment, and also subscribe the channel guys for the more Photoshop tutorials. The tutorials come every week, and I hope you like this video. Please practice this guys. You can find this most useful for your projects, as well as most of the graphic design I use it for a tremendously and awesome designing. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. You tutorial guys.